OTHM Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business. Accounting and finance are at the very heart of business operations. From banking to manufacturing, from huge service industries to micro businesses, the ability to manage, plan and account for money is still the ultimate measure of business success and the key driver of growth. The objective of the OTHM Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business qualification is to provide learners with an understanding of accounting and business in the broader business context, and to provide them with the practical, industry-focused skills to manage business finances, budgets, and cash flow effectively, and to play a key role in business growth. For entry onto the OTHM Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business qualification, learners must possess relevant NQF, QCF, or RQF Level 3 diploma or equivalent recognized qualification. Mature learners, over 21, with management experience. Learner must be 18 years or older at the beginning of the course. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. OTHM qualifications at RQF Level 4 represent practical knowledge, skills, capabilities, and competences that are assessed in academic terms as being equivalent to higher national certificates, HNC, and Year 1 of a 3-year UK bachelor's degree program. The OTHM Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business consists of 6 mandatory units for a combined total of 120 credits, 1,200 hours total qualification time, TQT, and 480 guided learning hours, GLH, for the completed qualification. Mandatory unit of OTHM Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business qualification are: the accountant's environment, quantitative methods, financial accounting, management accounting, management concepts and practice, business economics. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 0092331599937, 0092321505675.